I'm Brandon and this is Ryan, and here at Axiom 360 we're dedicated to providing quality customer experience and premium products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Ryan. We're here for you day in, day out till the project's done.
What is a kilowatt hour?
A kilowatt hour is a measure of energy over time. So 1 kilowatt is 1,000 watts. So for example, if you had a 10-watt light bulb, it would run for 100 hours to make 1 kilowatt hour, right? So that's kind of what you're looking at. So it all depends on what you're using. So like for example, your oven is going to use significantly more kilowatt hours than that LED light bulb in your bathroom.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.